Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, heated mirrors, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, power door locks. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.